Laboratory test report analysis is a crucial aspect of healthcare and medical diagnosis. When a patient undergoes laboratory tests, the results provide valuable insights into their health status, helping healthcare professionals make informed decisions about diagnosis, treatment, and management of various conditions. Analyzing these reports requires a systematic approach to interpret the findings accurately. Here's a breakdown of how laboratory test report analysis is conducted. Understanding the parameters. The first step in analyzing a laboratory test report is to familiarize yourself with the parameters being measured. This involves understanding the purpose of each test and the significance of the values obtained. Laboratory tests can cover a wide range of parameters, including blood chemistry, hormones, enzymes, antibodies, and more. Reference ranges. Most laboratory reports include reference ranges, indicating the normal range of values for each parameter based on factors such as age, gender, and population demographics. Analyzing the results involves comparing the patient's values with these reference ranges to determine if they fall within normal limits or if there are deviations that may indicate underlying health issues. Pattern recognition. In some cases, analyzing laboratory test results involves recognizing patterns or correlations between different parameters. For example, abnormal levels of certain enzymes or electrolytes may suggest specific organ dysfunction or metabolic disorders. Identifying these patterns can provide valuable diagnostic clues. Clinical context. Laboratory test results should always be interpreted in the context of the patient's clinical history, symptoms, and other diagnostic findings. For instance, a slightly elevated liver enzyme level may not be clinically significant in a healthy individual but could indicate liver disease in someone with a history of alcohol abuse or hepatitis. Critical values. Certain laboratory test results may fall outside the normal range to such an extent that they pose immediate risks to the patient's health and require urgent intervention. These values, known as critical values, need to be identified promptly and communicated to the healthcare team for appropriate action. Quality control. Ensuring the accuracy and reliability of laboratory test results is essential for effective analysis. This involves verifying the integrity of the samples, checking for potential sources of error or interference, and confirming that the testing procedures were performed correctly. Consultation and collaboration. In complex cases or when interpreting specialized tests, healthcare professionals may consult with colleagues or specialists to ensure thorough analysis and interpretation of the results. Collaboration among different members of the healthcare team can lead to more comprehensive patient care.